Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to enable live chat in your YouTube live stream. Let's get started. First, on the left sidebar, click on Stream. And your page should now look like this. Next, to the right of their title, you'll see the Edit button and go ahead and click that. And under the Details tab, you can customize your title, description, and other settings. But what we're looking for is under Customization on left sidebar. Make sure that live chat is toggled on. And once enabled, you'll see participant mode. Then here, you can choose who can message anyone. Anyone watching your stream can chat. Subscribers only means only subscribers can send messages. And live commentary means only approved users can chat. You can also enable the live chat replay, which lets viewers to see the chat messages when they rewatch your stream. And after you're happy with your settings, click Save in the bottom right corner. And that's it. You've now enabled live chat for your YouTube live stream. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.